Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use one-handed mode on iPhone Air. The iPhone is quite large and it's not too easy to operate with one hand, but one-handed mode comes in handy because you can very simply just use it. In order to do it, you'll need to slide down at the bottom of the screen, just like that. You can see I'm using just the bottom of the screen, sliding down, and that opens the one-handed mode. Basically brings everything down, so I can easily, for example, access something that's at the top. Right, and that's really great. If I want to go back, I can just either wait or just tap on the space above to bring it back up. Also, if it doesn't work for you, you can go to accessibility, then go to touch, and now make sure that reachability is enabled. Now, the last thing that I'd like to show you is one-handed keyboard. One-handed keyboard, when you go to some text field, can be enabled by pressing and holding on either the emoji button, or if you have multiple language keyboards, instead of emoji there will be a globe button. Press and hold on it, and now you can select whether you want to use the left-handed one-handed keyboard or right-handed one-handed keyboard. And now when I have it set to right-handed keyboard, it's way easier for me to type with just one finger, with my thumb. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.